Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. I'm your host Jason, and in this video I'll be showing you how to get the creator tools, or better yet the Q&A feature, and why it isn't showing up in your TikTok. First, let's go into the app. Then I'm going to select me in the bottom right hand corner. And as you can see, I don't have the Q&A feature. Normally to get it, you'll select the three dots in the top right hand corner. Then you will see creator tools right here. But as you can see, I don't have that. To get it, you'll go into manage account. Then you're going to need to switch your account to a pro account. So you'll select switch account to pro account. Then you're going to select creator. Then you'll choose a category from right here. For instance, let me select entertainment. Then simply press next. Then enter your gender. Then press done. And that's it. Then you'll simply close out of TikTok. Then re-enter it. Then press the three dots in the top right hand corner. Then select creator tools. And you will see the Q&A feature right there. And then you can simply select turn on Q&A. And that's it. Now you can see I have the Q&A feature. So one of the main reasons why you're not seen the Q&A feature is because your TikTok needs to be changed to creator as it's set on personal. Hope you found this video informative and helpful. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. And thank you for watching.